Hey, I'm Rosco. Sometimes light fixtures can be a little bit tricky to get apart, so here's a quick tutorial on how to change the light bulbs in these three styles of flush mount light fixture. Changing out the light on a flush mount light fixture is fairly simple. It just depends on which kind of light fixture you have. If you have the kind that has the nipple or the finial on the bottom, you just need to remove that. Be sure to hold on to the globe because sometimes there's not an additional nut holding the globe on. Underneath the finials, you'll find the additional nut. If there is one, you'll need to remove that as well. With the nut removed, the glass part will come off and you can get to the light bulbs. Now that you have access to the light bulbs, you just unscrew the light bulb that is burned out and you'll screw in a new one. With the new bulbs in place, you can replace the glass globe. Then you're going to want to secure the nut back on there. It should be snug, but don't crank it down tight. You can chip the glass on the globe. After replacing the nut, you can now screw the finial piece back on. With the finial screwed back on, you're now all set. If your light fixture does not have the finial on the bottom, then you'll want to look up around the top ring. Around that metal part, there are some screws. These are Phillips head screws on this one, but they're generally where you can turn them with your fingers. So you're going to want to unscrew probably 2 of these. You want to loosen them, but not all the way. You don't need to pull the screw all the way out. You just need to loosen it up enough that the globe will come off. Again, you're going to want to be holding on to the glass part while you're unscrewing these so that it doesn't fall off. With the screws loose, the glass part should come down, revealing the light bulbs. You can then replace the light bulb that is burned out. And then follow the same steps in reverse to replace the globe. You just slide it back up onto those screws and tighten them down. Again, we're going to want to go just snug on these. You don't want to tighten them down or you can crack that glass. There's a third type of flush mount light that looks like this, with no discernible screws on the outside and no finial in the middle. For these, you can just turn the glass part about 1/4 of a turn, and then the glass piece will come off. They make large versions of these that have the regular light bulbs on the inside, but I wanted to show you this one that has the LED diodes inside. If you open up your light fixture and it looks like this with all the LED diodes in it, these cannot be replaced. So if this burns out, then you'll have to replace the entire fixture. Thanks for watching my video on how to change a light bulb. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.